Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host, Naveed Ahmed. It's crucial you listen up. The All Pakistan Nambardar Association Registered, or APNA Registered, has issued a serious warning about an imposter. This man, Chaudhry Yaqub Sabir Gujjar, is falsely claiming to be the central president of APNA Registered. Over a year ago, Gujjar was expelled from the association due to serious allegations. But instead of stepping back, he's continued to pose as the central president and has involved himself in fraudulent activities. He's even been convicted in a criminal court for electricity theft and has faced a court-martial. This imposter is using these deceitful tactics to provoke and deceive Nambardars. Now, you might be wondering what's being done about this. Well, Chief Minister of Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, and Senior Member Board of Revenue Punjab, Nabil Javed, have taken notice of the situation. They've assured APNA Registered of their support in tackling this issue head-on. APNA Registered has issued multiple notices to Gujjar demanding he stop his fraudulent claims. But with no response, the association has now approached the court. His criminal record, conviction in electricity theft and court-martialing have been exposed for all to see. The administration of APNA Registered is urging authorities to take swift action to prevent Gujjar from causing further harm to our community. Stay tuned, as Nambardar TV will keep you updated on this developing story. It's important to stay informed and vigilant. Thanks for watching.